The word himmel originated from Swedish word for sky or heaven. Himmeli is traditional Finnish ornament or mobile decoration traditionally made out of straw or reeds in Finland. They were suspended above the dinner table during the holiday season and signify larger crop for the coming year. These geometric patterns have gained popularity in present modern minimalistic decor. I decided to DIY a geometric Himmeli sculpture for myself as part of making something new challenge hosted by Krssie. Just know your pattern and start. It can be simple to very complicated. I started by taking 16 sticks, /reeds, /skewers, /straws, some strong glue, an X-Acto knife, bronze acrylic color and a brush. First I marked and cut 16 sticks to the same length using X-Acto knife. Next, using a strong adhesive, I made two perfect and flat squares. Now, using one side of a square as my base, I used two more sticks and adhesive to make a triangle on a dimensional plane that is perpendicular to the square. A square has four sides, and so I constructed four triangles standing on it. And on the tips of each triangle, I steadied and fixed my second square. I checked the joints and let the adhesive dry. Hard part over. The sculpture is ready. I just painted it with bronze acrylic color all over it using a brush. Now the sculpture is pretty versatile. It looks great sitting alone. Hang it, place a plant in it or candle, or add some flowers. Just try making a sculpture of your own and enjoy your creativity. Thank you so much for stopping by and hope you subscribe to my channel for more DIYs. See ya!